Introducing the McLaren 750S, the highly anticipated successor to the formidable 720S. This supercar boasts significant enhancements and refinements over its predecessor, with nearly 30% of its components either new or altered. Available in both coupe and hardtop convertible body styles, the 750S is a marvel of automotive engineering. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a powerful twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine that generates 730 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, surpassing even the McLaren P1. An upgraded 7-speed sequential gearbox, coupled with a shorter final drive ratio, efficiently delivers power to the rear wheels. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.7 seconds, both the 750S Coupe and Spider are lightning fast. The convertible model's performance slightly differs at higher speeds, reaching 124 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, compared to the Coupe's 7.2 seconds, and 186 miles per hour in 20.4 seconds, 0.6 seconds slower than the Coupe. Quarter-mile times vary as well, with the Coupe completing the run in 10.1 seconds and the Spider in 10.3 seconds. Both models have an impressive top speed of 206 miles per hour. The 750S features a 0.24-inch wider front track and redesigned suspension geometry, incorporating McLaren's cutting-edge Proactive Chassis Control 3. This system includes 3% softer front springs and 4% firmer rear springs, offering improved handling and stability. Additionally, the vehicle lift system has been enhanced, enabling the car's front to rise in just 4 seconds, a significant improvement over the 720S. McLaren's form-follows-function design philosophy is further emphasized in the 750S. The supercar showcases a familiar design with innovative styling elements. A redesigned front bumper channels air into narrower eye sockets that house LED lighting and provide a pathway to the low-temperature radiators. The extended front splitter works in tandem with a 20% larger active rear wing, optimizing aerodynamic balance. The coupe and convertible models both feature a P1-inspired center-exit exhaust system, necessitating a 2-inch higher positioning of the active rear wing. The 750S also comes equipped with larger intakes ahead of the rear wheels, a new rear bumper, a mesh grille, and a redesigned rear deck. Inside, the standard Alcantara interior can be upgraded to either Techlux or Performance specifications. Techlux features Napa leather throughout the cabin, while Performance combines leather and Alcantara. The interior is further refined with a new dark metal finish and customizable ambient lighting. New display technology has been integrated into the cabin, with the instrument cluster now housed within a binnacle attached to the steering column. The innovative McLaren control launcher enables drivers to save their preferred aero, handling, powertrain, and transmission settings for easy access with a single button press. Apple CarPlay comes standard. McLaren has made considerable efforts to reduce the 750S's weight compared to the 720S. Carbon fiber-shelled racing seats are 38 pounds lighter than the standard 720S seats, while 10-spoke forged alloy rims, the lightest wheels ever fitted on a series production model, save an additional 30.4 pounds. These weight-saving measures result in the 750S Coupe weighing 66 pounds less than the 720S at 3,062 pounds, while the Spider weighs in at 3,170 pounds, only 108 pounds heavier. The 750S offers a variety of optional upgrades, including a track brake system inspired by the Senna, super lightweight carbon fiber racing seats weighing just 7.4 pounds, Pirelli P0 Corsa or Trofeo R tires, and an upgraded Bowers & Wilkins sound system. The track brake system features larger ceramic rotors, monoblock calipers, a new booster and vacuum pump, as well as Formula One-inspired caliper cooling technology. Orders for the 2024 750S are now being accepted at McLaren retailers. Although the official sale date has not been announced, pricing details have been released. The 750S Coupe starts at $324,000, while the 750S Spider begins at $345,000. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.